Welcome to this algebra lesson on solving one-step inequalities involving multiplication and division. Today, we will learn how to isolate the variable and find the solution set for these types of problems. This is a fundamental skill that builds directly on your knowledge of solving equations. Let's start with a quick review. You are likely familiar with the four inequality symbols: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Just like when solving standard equations, our primary goal here is to isolate the variable. We want to get the letter, like x, all by itself on one side of the symbol. First, let's look at multiplication with positive numbers. In this example, x divided by 3 is less than 4. To undo the division, we multiply both sides by positive 3. Notice that when we multiply by a positive number, the inequality sign stays exactly the same. It does not change direction. The solution is x is less than 12. Now consider division with positive numbers. Here we have 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Since x is being multiplied by 2, we divide both sides by 2 to isolate it. Again, because we are dividing by a positive number, the inequality symbol remains greater than or equal to. The solution is x is greater than or equal to 5. Here is the most important rule of this entire lesson. Please pay close attention. When you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, you must flip the direction of the inequality symbol. Less than becomes greater than, and greater than becomes less than. This is the golden rule for inequalities. Let's see this rule in action. We have negative 2x is greater than 10. To get x by itself, we need to divide by negative 2. Because we are dividing by a negative number, look at what happens to the symbol. It flips from greater than to less than. 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. So our answer is x is less than negative 5. This works for multiplication too. Here, x divided by negative 3 is less than or equal to 4. To isolate x, we multiply both sides by negative 3. Since we multiplied by a negative, we must flip the symbol from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. The solution is x is greater than or equal to negative 12. You might wonder, why do we have to flip the sign? Let's look at a number line. We know that positive 2 is less than positive 4. That is a true statement. But if we multiply both of those numbers by negative 1, we get negative 2 and negative 4. On a number line, negative 2 is actually to the right of negative 4, meaning it is greater. If we didn't flip the sign, the statement would be false. Here are 2 common mistakes to watch out for. First, do not flip the sign just because there is subtraction in the problem. The rule only applies to multiplication and division. Second, simply don't forget to flip it. It is very easy to focus on the arithmetic and miss the symbol change. Always double-check your sign when negative numbers are involved. To summarize, you solve one-step inequalities almost exactly like equations. You isolate the variable. If you multiply or divide by a positive number, the sign stays the same. But if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign to the opposite direction. Keep practicing, and this will become second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.